Do you have someone for whom you need a present, but would classify as naughty and not nice? Do they have a longing for devices to cause them to feel like James Bond? There are spy devices intended to go undetected, items that were once viewed as sci-fi, yet can be bought without waiting be a piece of a world-class mystery administration or military branch. Maybe these spy gadgets would be the perfect creepy gifts? In today's video we will talk about 12 cool spy gadgets available on Amazon that are on another level. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hushme. Hushme is an individual acoustic gadget that secures discourse protection when you're talking via telephone. With Hushme you can reply or settle on a significant decision without making burden other in the workplace. In case you're progressing, the business discussions will stay private. In case you're a gamer, you'll remain associated with your group, and as a blogger or essayist you can discourse to message without troubling individuals close by. This gadget isn't for discipline, nor was it intended to deny you delight. It is, nonetheless, intended to safeguard the personal satisfaction of the individuals around you, particularly on the off chance that you work in open workplaces like a few of us at Engadget do. The Hushme fills in as a couple of Bluetooth earbuds, however the genuine draw is the voice veil joined to them. They snap together before your mouth because of some shockingly solid magnets, permitting you to accept your calls in relative harmony and calm. Trailblazer Firearms Lifecard. The Lifecard is single-barrel, single-fired handgun that folds up to roughly to the size of a Visa. Obviously, it's somewhat thicker than your Visa. The Lifecard is a large portion of an inch thick and weighs just 7 ounces. The whole weapon is made of metal. The barrel, jolt, and trigger are produced using 4140 pre-solidified steel, and the edge and handle is produced using aluminum. The weapon is machine billeted and is very eye-satisfying. To load the weapon, you half-cock the gun, engage another latch and pull the barrel upwards. You load the round directly into the barrel like you would an old-school Derringer. To fire the gun, you pull the sight into the fully cocked position and pull the now exposed trigger. It's a weapon that can be covered in your jeans pocket, your shirt pocket, or even a woman's grasp. There would surely be a restricted application among some law implementation, particularly officials who are profound secret. There is a well-known story with respect to a secret police officer conveying a .22 Derringer in a red performance cup while wearing a Speedo and doing a medication purchase. Sgnl. Accepting calls while in a hurry or in jam-packed spaces can be abnormal as well as badly arranged, as anybody around can tune in on your private discussions. Ensemble Lab, a side project from Samsung Electronics, has built up a keen arrangement. Utilizing Bluetooth innovation, you would now be able to interface with your telephone or savvy with the imaginative Sgnl smart strap. Utilizing the BCU, body conduction unit, you can answer your telephone, not by removing it from your pocket or knapsack, however by means of the Sgnl lash and your finger put against your ear. Sound is moved by means of vibration through your own body and is intensified by the ear chamber. The Sgnl smart strap fits most watches and can even be utilized without one as a wrist tie. The encased mouthpiece is normally directly by your mouth as you hold your finger set up. With a solitary hour's charge on the miniature USB, you have a multi-day reserve or 4 hours of talk time. The Sgnl is residue and waterproof and is viable with Android 4.4 and iOS 8 and more up to date. Lookout Charger. Lookout is a security surveillance camera built into a regular phone charger, making it virtually undetectable. It is the first affordable security camera that is easy to use and packed with all the necessary features, allowing you to monitor your home, children, pets, elderly, business, and more in a matter of seconds. Lookout Charger doesn't have a South Dakota card space, pinholes, or clear signs that this is a surveillance camera. Also, it really charges your telephone, making it the ideal secrecy surveillance camera. Not at all like other observation cameras available, Lookout Charger is for all intents and purposes imperceptible to anybody from interlopers to your family canine. No compelling reason to download applications, arrangement distributed storage, purchase South Dakota cards, or manage pointless month-to-month charges. Worked with inward memory of up to 32 GB, you should simply plug the Lookout Charger into any Mac, PC or Linux and gain admittance to your recording. Hidden Camera Phone Dock. Hidden camera phone dock is an excellent object for investigation as it is connected to the power socket, which allows you to keep the camera always on. This charging base can be put anyplace without exciting doubt. Any table, rack or bedside table is an ideal spot for this camera. It will go unnoticed as it is truly helpful to energize your cell phone at home or at work. This hidden camera does not require any technical knowledge and can be used in minutes by anyone. These hidden cameras for investigation give 1.3 MP at 25 Federal Protective Service video resolution. The 1.3 MP resolution, additionally known as 960p, 1280x960 pixels, is great for investigation as a result of it combines smart video quality with high storage capacity. To make sure most performance, we tend to use in these hidden cameras identical high-level CMOS and silicon processors as our ancient CCTV police investigation information science cameras. Zore Gun Lock. The Zore X Core 9x19 is a gun lock for a heap of 9mm firearms. Similarity can be found here. Rather than impairing the trigger or running a link lock through the chamber into the magwell like we are utilized to, the Zore X uses your barrel and extractor to make sure about the gun. Now if you successfully enter the user set locking combo using the Rapidial on the side of the unit, a green LED will flash at the top front of the unit. Zore X is the fastest way to go from locked to loaded. By charging the weapon, the lock is ejected and a round is immediately chambered. The revolutionary Rapidial can be quickly unlocked in any circumstance, even in zero visibility. The Zore X unique unlocking mechanism, together with its robust design, is the next generation of weapon locks. Works with 9 calibers, weighs 4.7 ounces, features a CR2 3.0V battery with a life of 2 to 3 years of standard use assembled and tested in the USA. Duo portable security sensor. Have you ever needed to snap a photo with your cell phone without making your subject aware of what you are doing? I can't state I have an excess of a modest bunch of times, however for those of you voyeurs out there you might need to look at this contraption. Duo portable security sensor is made up of high-quality glass and a mirrored interior that ensures no quality loss for the images you take with the device. It is attached to your phone with a small metal ring that you place around your phone's camera, which is magnetic and allows the spy lens to attach and detach with ease, but not too easy. The device can also be rotated 360 degrees, which gives you great flexibility in deciding where to point your spy lens. The Duo comes total with a cell phone partner application upheld by iOS and Android stages that gives moment notices if your assets are altered. The Duo is an independent sensor that utilizes a cell-based association instead of nearby Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or centers. For more data and to take a promise, leap over to the Authority and Indiegogo crowdfunding effort page by following the connection underneath. If you are interested in learning more about this device or maybe purchasing one yourself, you can do so over on the Photo Jojo store. Spyslider webcam cover. A webcam cover is a gadget that blocks a device's camera. Webcam hacking has been a regular item in the news cycle. Laptops, smartphones, and tablets alike have all fallen victim to webcam snoops. Covering the webcam is a hands-on solution to a digital privacy problem. The Spyslider is a premium webcam cover that is just 0.023 inches (0.6mm) thick. Made from durable stainless steel that is made to last. Suitable for laptops, MacBooks, tablets and smartphones. Due to its simple sliding system, you can easily open and close your webcam at your convenience. This Spyslide cover can be used on any webcam on any device as long as the surface around the webcam is flat. Focals by North. Focals were made by North, a Canadian organization sponsored by Intel Capital, Spark Capital and the Amazon Alexa Fund with almost $200 million in financing. The Focals are in fact Arkansas glasses, however they're not centered around gaming or substance utilization. The item is intended to move notices from your phone to your sightline. It's somewhat similar to an Apple Watch for your face. These notices incorporate the date and time, the climate, text warnings, email, Slack, Apple News alarms, Uber notices, sports scores, turn-by-turn route, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Clients explore this substance utilizing the loop, a ring equipped with a stub of a joystick, which is intended to be worn on the pointer of your prevailing hand. Significantly, North executed a keen reaction framework to shield clients from getting their telephone each time they get a notice. The framework gives clients 2 choices: look over top-notch of cleverly produced reactions, or use discourse to message through Focal's underlying Alexa coordination. Yi Home Camera 2. The Home Camera 2 uses a hockey puck plan like the Nest Dropcam Pro, aside from the stand, is white rather than dark. The dark camera head is round and quantifies 2 crawls in measurement. It contains a 0.5-inch CMOS sensor and 11 infrared LED dabs for night vision. The camera conveys 720p and 1080p video, has a 130-degree field of view, and houses a movement sensor just as a mouthpiece and speaker for two-way sound interchanges. The stand contains a force jack and a pivot that allows you to tilt the camera 180 degrees. Behind the removable backboard of the camera are a microSD card space and a reset button. You get a 32GB microSD card and a USB power connector in the case. The camera is controlled using a mobile app, available for Android and iOS, but does not have a web app. The app opens to an advertisement that touts a crying baby detection feature. Tapping a camera takes you to a live feed of that camera with catches that let you quiet the speaker, record video, start two-way sound, take a still photograph, and view video in full-screen scene mode. Underneath the live video screen is a rundown of movements set off video cuts by date. At just 6 seconds in length, the clasps are a lot more limited than the 35-second chronicles that you get with the Piper NV Ghost Drone F100GP. The FORCE-1 F100GP Ghost packs 4 brushless engines for every one of its propeller arms. This implies that the robot has better power over its speed because of the effectiveness offered by these engines. Brushless motors are also inherently less noisy due to the almost frictionless design of the mechanism. This also means less heat generated, equating to a longer service lifespan. This drone is equipped with an advanced 6-axis gyroscope that allows it to stay on the balls of its feet or the tips of its wings, whichever's convenient. Regardless of whether you need to change positions, attempting to accumulate your internal compass, or just scratch that compelling tingle on your back, this doesn't allow you to down with its convenient altitude hold work. The 360 degrees functionality of this bird allows it to do complete barrel rolls in the air with just a flick of a switch. Spyfinder hidden camera detector. You will have a hard time believing how little concealed cameras are nowadays. Frequently no greater than a pinhole, these small government agent cameras are covered inside regular articles, for example, timekeepers, glasses, lights, picture outlines, USB chargers, keychains, work area fans, sources, smoke alarms, DVD players, counterfeit water bottles, deodorizers, thus considerably more. These little cameras frequently are worked with cutting-edge recording and off-site streaming, permitting unapproved individuals to watch and record your movement. The Spyfinder hidden camera detector is lightweight, and battery-operated design makes it possible to bring the scanner with you everywhere you go. Scan any changing room, public restroom, vacation rental, meeting room, locker room or other public place where your personal privacy or proprietary information may be compromised. A scanning range of 2 to 45 feet allows you to cover more space with one sweep, saving you time. One-touch operation allows anyone to use this counter-surveillance tool, no matter their training level. Simply face the LED lights away from your face, place the viewfinder to your eye and scan the room. The Spyfinder hidden camera detector is intended for ideal execution over a scope of 3 to 45 feet. Utilize the customizable light regulator to change for distance. The Spyfinder is planned for indoor use. While open air utilize is conceivable, the presentation will be downsized relying upon the surrounding lighting states of the outside climate. So what is your favorite gadget? Comments right below. If you got value from this video, make sure hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated.